Part 5. So now I'm going to get ready to paint with some primer, smooth it out a little bit more, and then repaint it and get it going. Stay tuned. Big Man Customs coming at you live. Now it's time for some primer. Check it out. Rust-Oleum self-etching primer. This seals into the metal, seals into the molecules to get it a nice seal coat to keep any moisture or corrosion, rust for reforming. Get you some of the self-etching primer. Check it out. Shake it up. Let's go. Nice smooth strokes there. Yeah. Let's let that dry for a little bit. Stay tuned. All right. Here we are again. He's ready for some paint. I'm gonna do the real painting later. I just want to fill up these rust holes so they won't get worse. That I did. Now it's time for some paint. I'm gonna go with the Rust-Oleum acrylic lacquer gloss premium white. Just a little something to get it nice and pretty. Not gonna be just a little something, I would say, to clean it up a little bit. It's not gonna be pretty, but it'll do the job until I'm ready to get it painted professionally, mainly by me. Let's check it out. Nice smooth strokes here. Let's let that soak in a little bit. Looks good already, don't it? Let that soak in a little bit, and I put another coat on and clean it up. Stay tuned. Big Man Customs. Check it out. Big Man Customs. Can't even tell there's any marks there. That's how you do it. Backyard boogie style. You can't afford someone to do it professionally. I just showed you how to do it yourself. Stay tuned for some more Big Man Customs. C20 81 Chevy Suburban 8 lug. Coming at you live.